Two-parter, explained. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the English phrase, two-parter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, when to use it, and why it's an interesting part of the English language. The phrase, two-parter, can be broken down into two parts, pun intended. 1. Two, referring to the number two. Two-parter, coming from the word part, indicating a segment or section of something. Together, these words suggest that something is divided into two distinct parts or sections. In English, the term two-parter is most commonly used in the context of television shows, films, or events. Here's how. 1. Television shows. Sometimes, a storyline in a TV show is too long or complex to be covered in one episode. In such cases, the story might be split into two episodes. These episodes are referred to as a two-parter. For instance, a detective show might have a mystery that's so intricate, it requires two episodes to solve. 2. Films. Occasionally, a movie's story might be released in two separate films. Think of those epic movies that have a Part 1 and a Part 2. That's a cinematic, two-parter. 3. Events. In the real world, some events or seminars might be too long to be held in one go. If they're divided over 2 days or sessions, they can be called a two-parter. It's always good to know alternative ways to express the same idea. For two-parter, some related terms are 1. Double feature, mainly used for movies, when two films are shown consecutively in cinemas. 2. Duo, simply means a pair or two of something. 3. Two-piece, often used to describe sets of two related items, like a two-piece suit. And there you have it. Two-parter is a fun and useful term to describe anything that's split into two distinct parts or segments. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite TV show or attending a seminar, you now know what to call it when things come in pairs. We hope this explanation helps you in your English learning journey. Happy learning and see you in the next video.